secrets we seek. Advanced vision and a heart so pure.